the Nissan Leaf key, smart key. Do you see that? Uh, I won't change the key for Nissan Leaf between 2010 between 2017. This is the smart key. Now I can change the key fob and press this lock button to up. You can drag the manual key. Okay, first step. Now second step, you can open it for the key fob replacing. Now I can open this. Wait, don't steel material for this opening. You can use plastic objects and other objects for the opening. Now you can see the circuit. Because the coil is transmission coil, it can be damaged when you use sharpness material for the opening. Now this is the key fob this side. This is the old battery. Put it out. Okay. Now replace new one. You can see the battery number 2025. 2025. Okay, 2025. Okay, replace it. Now okay, complete. And you can check the remote key. Car go to off position and check it. Okay. Okay, thank you.